Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's Friday, February 26th. Oh my goodness, I'm exhausted. I've been so curious this week. I've been thinking about so many things. I've had a great time with Curious George, who is just flat wiped out. I think I wore him out. Too much thinking this week. He needed a little nap. He's been up. He got up early this morning and started reading all those books, so he'll be fine. Hey, it's Friday. It's the weekend. So we're done talking about curiosity, right? Actually, I've got a little challenge for you that kind of goes with the weekend and goes with the fact that you don't actually live at school and that you should be curious all the time. But first, let's stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. So we've been talking about curiosity all week and asking great questions and training our brains to be more curious and more thoughtful. And I just want to know today, what are some things that you are curious about outside of school? You know, really where this becomes powerful is when you start thinking in this way all the time. So if you got curious this week about the Egyptians and why they settled around the Nile River, that is awesome. Way to go. If you got curious this week about the missions and where might the 22nd mission be, that's pretty amazing. If that sparked some other ideas in your head, for example, if that sparked this idea, I wonder what it would be like to live over by Fort Bragg. Now you're really starting to think, right? But you can be curious about so many things. You can learn all the time. It makes your brain stronger. It makes you a more well-rounded person. It also makes you a happier, more satisfied person. For example, here's the thing I'm curious about today. It's Friday. Did you look at the date? February 26th. Spring is here. We've had some warmer weather this week. That, to me, means the water's probably warming up. And I'm wondering if those bass in Lake Orville are starting to move around a little bit more, maybe come up a little higher. Mr. Alderson, what are you thinking? Are you curious about that? I mean, man, that Ned rig might start working pretty soon here. I wonder how I could find out if the bass are moving around in Lake Orville. Or maybe I'm curious about a new recipe that I want to try and cook, or a new place I want to go to, or a new game I want to try with my family. You can be curious about so many things, like anything. This is a chance to share some of your interests with your friends and just what are you curious about? Tell us something outside of school that you're curious about. What do you want to learn more about, right? Show us that you want to be a thinker all the time and that you actually want to learn and try and do new things, develop new talents. I mean, this can be, sports that you're interested in, musical instruments that you're interested in. You could be curious about I'm on season 3 of Stranger Things and I'm pretty curious about what's going to happen in season 4. What are you curious about that's outside of school and you want to learn more about it? You can have fun discussing that with your class this week. I know that some of the conversations probably went in kind of a silly direction this week, and I want to remind you that not all of learning needs to be real serious. There's a lot of parts that are just silly and fun, and also that you did an excellent job of training your brain, because the part of your brain that's getting strong and thinking and asking better questions is going to be really important throughout your whole life. Have a great day, Achieve. Questions coming up on the board. There it is one more time. Tell us something outside of school that you are curious about and would like to learn more about. Have a great day, Achieve, and have a good weekend.